there is communication coming in about love in this connection. I know, kitty. So they're wanting to communicate that with you, and that's either the loss of love or the love that they want. If you are not in communication now, this is happening soon, like within the next couple of months. There's a lot of progress. It feels very, very soon. If you are in communication, I believe there will be this energy of them opening up even more. Oh my God, look at that bloody color. I love them colors. So yeah, look, the Sun and the Lovers is underneath that. So this is telling you that things are going your way, and this is going to be a positive relationship. I feel like you both have triggers. They feel especially triggered in this moment. So there's something about the setting of you being together, meeting. There's something around that is triggering from a past relationship. It could be that you look very much like the ex. It could be that something about your mannerism. There's something that's triggering for them, but it's not in a way that they want to be damaging or self-sabotaging. It's just a way that they want to be really smart about how they move forward. I've got to try and wrap this up. So they are coming forward, and look, 10 of Cups and the Lover. So they will be coming forward with the offer of emotion, love, and I believe some kind of stability. This person isn't going through all this because they want to fling. This person isn't going through all this because they want a one-night stand. This person is coming from a place of forever after, in all intents and purposes. I'm going to pull a couple of more cards while I'm doing that. Just admire the sunset. Let's see what's happening. Right, I feel, okay. This person is going to invite you somewhere. And it's going to be, I don't feel like it's to dinner, somewhere romantic in that kind of setting, like a romantic candlelit meal. It's not going to be that, but they are inviting you somewhere. And I think they're doing that because they want to connect with you on a level outside of kind of that romance. Does that make sense? Like they want to be able to open up and I think get to know you just more as a person. I believe that will be the next plan in their strategy. That's their next plan. But it's definitely a good offer, and it's definitely going to propel your situation forward, okay? Because we've got the World and the Wheel of Fortune here, Page of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. These are some very good positive cards that talk about moving forwards, life shift. This is new opportunity. This is also an end of a cycle. So it's taking whatever the energy your relationship is in, it's taking it from that energy and shifting it into the next level, leveling up. They know they need to do some major changes. They know that they need to kind of get you alone, have this one-on-one with you, get you to connect in a different way and in a way that they feel safe and in a way that they can figure out what their next strategy is. But that is what they're going to do. So it is positive, it is moving forward, and yeah, beautiful sunrise for a beautiful message.